I'm Alan from Scorpion Exhaust. I just thought I'd take a minute just to show you the new Predator system we've got for the Focus ST Mark IV. So this is a full system, rear silencer delete, a lot better sound. If you're wanting a good sound from the car, this is the system you need to go for. So this is in normal driving mode, and just pull out here, and hopefully you can hear me. The sound is absolutely perfect, it sounds really good. So just accelerate a little bit there, it sounds really good. So now if we switch the modes into, let's go for track mode, just quickly flick through. You can hear everything in the car change, but the sound in here, I'm still talking normally, you can still hear a conversation, there's no drone, but you put your foot down and it sounds really good. Oh, that sounds good. You can make it loud, you can drive it quiet. To me, this is the perfect system. That was the initial test drive of the Predator system on the Focus ST Mark IV. Absolutely sounded fantastic. It's definitely the system I'd have on that car. If you want more information, if you go to scorpion-exhaust.com, all the information is on there.